What if I told you a DeFi project just hit $10 billion in volume this year, offers yields over 1,000%, and its token might be on the verge of a breakout? That's Velodrome Finance and its token VELO. In this video, I'll unpack big fat updates, analyze the 3-day chart with 5 take-profit zones, and share a game plan to kickstart your trading. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, stick around, because this could be your chance to ride Velo's momentum to serious gains. Let's start with the basics. Velodrome Finance is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, that's making a name for itself in the world of DeFi, decentralized finance. Think of DeFi as a way to trade, lend, or earn interest on your crypto without banks or middlemen. Velodrome runs on multiple blockchains, and according to DeFi Llama, it's got $79 million locked in its smart contracts as of August 8th. That's called Total Value Locked, or TVL. It's like a popularity meter showing how much money users trust in the platform. Most of that TVL, by the way, is on Optimism mainnet, but it's also growing fast on chains like Sinium and Unichain. This multi-chain muscle is why Velodrome's turning heads, and why I'm talking about it today. The truth is Velodrome's been smashing records. On August 8th, they tweeted, $10 billion in 2025. That's it. That's the tweet. Yep, they've captured $10 billion in trading volume this year alone. Insane, right? But it gets better. On Unichain, they've racked up $500 million in volume, with $250 million of that in just the last 2 weeks. They're also seeing massive action beyond Optimism mainnet, with pools like USDC wrapped Ethereum hitting $39 million in volume. This kind of growth screams adoption, and it's a huge signal that Velodrome's not just surviving, it's thriving. Velodrome isn't just about flashy volume numbers. It's got the cash flow to back it up. DeFi Llama shows they're pulling in $10 million in annualized fees, money made from trading activity on the platform. Over the last 30 days, that's $865,000, and in just 24 hours, $22,000. Since day one, they've collected over $26 million in fees and turned that into $31 million in total revenue. Here's the cool part. A chunk of that revenue goes to Velo holders who lock their tokens as VVelo for governance and rewards. It's like getting a dividend for believing in the project. These numbers prove Velodrome's got a solid business model fueling its rise. If you're into earning passive income, Velodrome's liquidity pools are where it's at. Picture this. The Ethereum USDC pool on Unichain offers a 280% APR, 8 times higher than Uniswap's 35% for the same pair. APR, or annual percentage rate, is how much you could earn yearly by providing liquidity. Think of it like interest on a savings account, but way juicier. Then there's the Ethereum Anita pool on Inc., boasting a mind-blowing 1,095% APR, or the USDC Ethereum pool on Unichain at 463%. These are volatile pools, meaning prices can swing hard, so it's high risk, high reward. If you're new, start small and research. Those returns are tempting, but crypto is never a sure thing. Alright, technical analysis time. This is where it gets fun. We're looking at the 3-day Velo USD chart, and it's screaming opportunity. Since December 2024, Velo was stuck under a descending trend line. Imagine a ceiling the price kept hitting and falling back from. It rejected that line in May and June, but in early July, bam, it broke out. That's a bullish sign, hinting the downtrend's toast. Right now, it's hovering around 5 cents, up from April's low of 3 cents. I've drawn Fibonacci retracement levels from that December high to the April low to spot where the price might head next. My 5 take-profit zones are set. 30% of my position at 13 cents, 25% at 19 cents, 20% at 28 cents, 15% at 45 cents, and 10% at 70 cents. These are near key Fibonacci levels like 236 and 1618. Price points where resistance might kick in. Once we hit these, I'll trail my stop to lock in gains. If you are not holding Velodrome yet, The green rectangle between 4 cents and 6 cents is your accumulation zone. Use dollar cost averaging, buying bit by bit, to ease into the trade without stressing over timing. The super trend indicator is green, meaning we're in an uptrend, and I'm using its support line as my stop loss. If it flips red, I'm out of the short-term trade, but I'm still holding VELO long-term because I believe in this project. The price has crossed above the 10 and 21 period EMAs, moving averages that smooth out price noise, and touched the 55 period EMA, purple line. If it breaks that 6 cents level, the 100 and 200 moving averages are next, yellow and green lines. The Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator is ticking up, showing momentum is building, and the volume profile's point of control at 5 cents is holding as support. This setup's got legs. Velodrome could be gearing up for a serious run. Ready to jump in? MEXC is your spot. They're running a Starter Sparks campaign with a $16,000 USDT prize pool. Deposit and trade to grab a slice. Use my referral link, and your first futures trade gets 100% loss coverage. Futures let you bet on price moves with leverage. Risky, but MEXC got your back. Deposit at least 100 USDT, trade 100 USDT, and if you lose, they'll cover it, starting at 5 USDT. It's a no-brainer way to test the waters. Link is in the pinned comment below. Don't sleep on this. Velodrome Finance is killing it. $10 billion in volume, monster yields, and a revenue stream that keeps on giving. The Velo chart is lining up for a potential breakout, with clear profit zones to watch. I'm pumped about this project. It's got the fundamentals and the technicals to make gains. If you are new in crypto, start small, use a dollar cost average strategy, and always manage risk. Crypto is a roller coaster, but that's why we love it. If you're trading, hit up MEXC with my link for that sweet deal. Love this breakdown. Smash that like button, drop a comment. What's your Velodrome target? And subscribe for more daily alpha. Check out my previous Velodrome video next. Links on your screen. Thanks for hanging out. Never financial advice. Let's keep winning together. See you tomorrow.